Hello and welcome to this video. In previous videos, we connected to two separate data sources. We then shaped and combined those data sources to meet our requirement. As a result, we had a data model that we can use as a basis for creating reports. You can always make changes to a model inside the Power Query editor after the model is loaded, and you can reload a model to apply any changes that you make. To get started creating a report with the data model we created, you need to have that opened and have the report view showing in Microsoft Power BI desktop. So this is the Power BI desktop, and we can see here this is the report view, which is this view here. The report view is the default view in Power BI desktop. We've got other views as well. This view here is called the data view, and this one here is called the model view. The report view has 5 main areas. We've got the ribbon area, which is this area here with all these various icons. That is a ribbon area. It also shows the common tasks associated with reports and visualizations. And then we have the canvas. This is the canvas area. The canvas area is where the visualization are created and arranged, so you can move the visualization around once you've created them. Then we've also got the pages. The pages basically is the tab along the bottom. Okay, so this area here is, you can see here it says pages. So if you want to add a new page, just click on the plus sign, and that enables you to add a new page to the report view. And then we have the visualization pane. You can see here we've got visualization, and inside the visualization pane we have different tools available that you can use to customize and create visualization just by dragging it onto the canvas. Then we have the fields pane. You can see here it's got fields, and the field pane is where you query elements, and also filters can be dragged either onto the report view or into the filters area of the visualization pane. So this is the filters area. The visualizations and the fields pane can be collapsed. You can see here just by selecting this, you can collapse that. Click on that, that collapses it. And the field also can be collapsed, and you can bring it back up. To start creating visualization, we just need to drag a field from the fields here onto the report view. So I'm just going to click on this just to expand, and that shows you all the fields. So I'm just going to drag a field. So here, this is a state. I'm going to drag the state field and just drop it on the canvas. That is a state field from this retirement starts. And you can see here, it displays some information. So the items you drag onto the canvas are movable. You can expand them and you can move them around. If you want grid lines to show inside your canvas, you could click on the view tab and just click on show grid lines, and the grid lines will appear on the canvas. So you can see just by dragging the field onto the canvas that the Power BI desktop automatically created a map based visualization, because it recognizes that the state field has geological data. Notice that you can select different types of visualizations from this visualizations area here, this pane. Then in the area below those icons here, you can also drag fields to different areas to apply a legend or change the visualization in other ways. You can create more than one visuals on a report page. You can also change the type of visuals just by selecting it on the canvas. So you can see here this visual is selected on the canvas, and if we look in the visualization pane, you can see it is highlighted here, which shows that we have a map, which is the globe icon. But we can change that to another type of visualization. For example, I'm going to click on the next one here, which says field map. If I click on it, you can see here it changes the type of visualization. I'm going to end this part of the visualization here, and we will continue in part 2. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.